welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new, thank you for subscribing and welcome. Join the gang. The gang has no name, but you're here. So for today's video, as you can probably figure out by the title, it's another makeup video. Yay! As you can tell, I've already done my eyebrows and already concealed, and I got a base on already. If you have noticed, my eyebrows are lighter than usual. It's because I'm trying something new. See, it was my sister's wedding like 2 weeks ago, I think. Basically, I had to use like a brown eyeshadow to do my eyebrows because my mom had my normal kit, which is this one somewhere. Oh, it's this one that I use from Boots. It's from Collection actually. So I had to use the brown one and I quite like it, so I thought let me try it out with this look that I'm gonna try and create and see what it looks like. The story behind this video is, so me and my friend Jess, shout out to Jess for letting me borrow her HUDA palette, and also shout out to Jess again because she helps me make these videos. So anyways, me and Jess went to B&M and don't know what for, I don't remember, and then we went to the makeup section and we saw this. If you see it, your instant reaction is like, what? B&M does HUDA makeup? Okay, so went over, and then it looks just like the HUDA except for of course the name, and it's a bit smaller comparison, like it's small, but from afar you'd think. And then you open it, I mean everything has been copied to the T. Everything. So yeah, and then she came out with the idea of actually trying the HUDA one, which is this one. You can tell it's more expensive because of the packaging. I mean, look at it, and it's more heavier as well. So yeah, she was like, compare them to see which was better because they're literally identical. So this is the proper HUDA, as you can tell as well because of the glass, and this is them next to each other. Of course you can tell this one's a bit cheaper. I mean, look at the pigment difference, but can we just, I mean, and guess how much it is? This one, the original, it's £28. This one is £2.99. £2.99, but it better be good. So that's what I'm trying out today, these two palettes. I'm gonna start with the HUDA first because, you know, might as well start with the OG and then compare it with the other one. Got the HUDA palette, and I've been basically trying to figure out what look I'm going to create, but I want to use this one. So just gonna, yeah, this is quite a bright palette. It's more like colors I would use to go to like summer or festivals, but let's just roll with it and see. So I'm gonna go with the purple one, this one right here. All right, let's go. Okay, HUDA, I see you. So far so good. I'm gonna take the same color. Gonna pack it over my inner corner. Is the other side. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Now I'm gonna use this peachy one. This one to, actually I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna use the peachy one first to blend out this side, and then I'm not quite sure. I know I want to do a halo, but I want to use at least 3 colors because I can never use one color. Never. Like, I struggle I actually struggle just to do a natural look. But peachy color. Then at the end, I'm just gonna buff it out. I'm still going over with the peachy one. It's not too bright, it's just enough. I'm just gonna go with the purple one again. I'm just gonna pack it out again. So that's done with. Now I'm gonna try add this orange, yellow. I'm usually using the same brush, so just wipe it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go over the here just a little bit, because since I'm putting lime, I kind of want it to okay. Okay, I'm gonna put yellow here so that when I put the lime on top, hopefully it stands out. Hopefully. I think the camera's picking it up. Oh, there we go. Just gonna put a bit more. Now, I don't know whether to put concealer or not. I don't know. Let me try without. Then if it doesn't pick it up, if the pigment doesn't pick up, I will put concealer. See, it's a halo. Anyways, then if it doesn't pick it up, I will do that. I'm just gonna use my hand, my finger, sorry. Look. Ooh, okay, there we go. Pretty. Oh, see what I don't like? It just looks like it's been placed there. That's one thing I don't like about working with glary shadows. You can't blend them out. If you can, well, you probably can, but don't have the facilities for that.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
So yeah, I'm gonna take back the purple again. I'm gonna try, and very impressed. I need to get a proper camera because this can't go on. Okay, I think I'm done. I think that's a look created without a fail. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, now is the interesting part. Let's try the other palette, HUDA. So now I would do okay, we're starting with the purple one. Okay, it's picking up very well. Start at the corner. It's actually a lot, you know. It picks up a lot of product. Pack. It's actually not bad, you know. Same with the other one. I'm going over with the peachy one first, and then we'll bring the yellow one in later on. So using the peachy one to blend out. So let's go. Just blending out in circular motions. I need to learn, you know, to like, you know, yeah. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Now I'm going back over with the purple. Remember, so I did the high-end product with my right eye, then the low-end product with my left eye. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Like, you can't tell. Can you tell? Can you? need to blend these. Now that's done. That looks alright. I'm gonna take the glittery one. See, it does, the pigment's there. Can you see? Can you see? Ah, can you see it? You can't even, can you spot the difference? Yeah, that's what I thought. Actually, you can't. You probably can. The more you look at it, the more you're like, gonna go back with the purple again, you know. I normally do this last, but let me see. Let me see if this picks up. I'm gonna take, I don't know which one to do, the pink shimmer or the orange shimmer. Let me try orange. So going with HUDA on the right eye. You can see. Then I'm gonna take the same orange to highlight my brow bone. Taking the, I don't know, what should I call it? The B&M palette, but it says W7. I'm guessing that's the brand because there's a brand called W7, right? Same thing with the other eye. Again, my brow bone. Okay, I'm gonna do some of my face off camera and then bring it back when I'm like at the end, and then the final looks and all that. So I'll be back. So guys, I am back. Just about to do final touches. There we go. Ooh, so put my head wrappy thingy and did my foundation and a bit of contour. I'm about to do my lips. So I used Long Lasting Perfection by Collection, and it's actually my shade as well. Like, I'm gonna have to go back and get it, you know. So I'm gonna start with Huda Beauty. Again, stunning. Sorry, I look stunning. Guys, I'm so happy. Okay, so because the eyes are a bit dramatic, I'm just gonna go with simple lip gloss from, it's called BF lip gloss, you know, local hair shop. I'm just gonna do that. So for eyelashes, 3D mink eyelashes from AliExpress. They come like this. Don't ask where the rest are because that is news to me. I only have these 2 pairs left. So we definitely move, but they are so great. But yes guys, this is my final look. I am happy with this. Can we just talk about the palettes for 2 seconds? I forgot, that's why we're here. Where are they? I am extremely impressed with both of these beautiful palettes. High end, low end, £28, $2.99. Like, can you tell? No, you can't. So thank me later guys. Go to your B&M store and get your things guys. Summer's on the corner, winter, spring, it doesn't matter. You can still rock thingy, a bright look or whatever you want to call it. But I can't complain about, I don't know, I like them both. I generally like them both. Of course, this one, yes, you can tell. Yeah, you can't tell. You can tell, but you can't tell. But I'm happy. I'm super happy. Like, I'm just sad that I'm not actually going anywhere tonight. This is just was a waste. But I'm gonna take some cute pics. You know, yeah. Probably won't post them. We'll see. But yes, again, thank you guys for coming to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed, stay healthy, stay corona free. But yeah, thank you guys again for coming, and I'll probably see you on my next video, whenever that is. I don't know when that is, but whenever it is, thank you. And bye. Let me do it. Just one more second. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, or like and comment, turn the notification bell on so that when I post you'll be notified. But again, thank you guys for watching again. And for the like third time, but it's okay. But thank you and bye.